Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Kraken application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Kraken Wallet application on your iPhone, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are, tap Open App Store. Tap on the search button at the bottom right-hand corner in order to bring up the search bar. Type in Kraken into the search box and make your search. Once you find the application that looks like this, tap the download button right beneath it or right beside it to get the application downloaded on your iPhone. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange and Bitcoin trading platform. With your Kraken wallet downloaded on your mobile devices, also you can buy, sell, trade, and learn more about cryptocurrencies right from your mobile devices. Now all you need to do is wait for the application to be downloaded on your iPhone. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed. So while downloading an application, always make sure to have the fastest and stable internet connection. Once the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Kraken application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.